welcome back to another video. Today I have a very special unboxing. Today we have the iPhone 17 in the color white. This is my sister's new phone, but she was kind enough to let me unbox it for a video today. So we'll start by unboxing this phone, then we'll do a game test and a camera test later on in this video. So this year the phone's screen is slightly brighter, especially outdoors in the sun. Plus, with the anti-glare on the screen, this phone should be amazing when used outdoors. During my camera test, I had the chance to use this phone in the blazing sun, and I have to agree that it was super easy to see what was on the screen the entire time. I generally have really bad vision, so if it's coming from me, it means it's really good. My sister decided to buy her phone case at a local store. I find it kind of funny how both of us kind of lean towards clear cases. I guess in the end of the day, you can't really go wrong with the clear case, which is why we all use one. Comment down below if you're a clear case user. It's a simple clear case, but what I really like about it is that it's a little thick as well. But this is when I noticed that the size of the screen protector may be wrong. And it was. It was a little too big, so I couldn't install the screen protector for her, so the screen will have to go bare for now. But I probably will be the one installing the new one for her when she gets it because, yeah. The 120Hz screen is amazing though. I remember back then one of the reasons why I would prefer the Pro models over the regular models was the difference between the screens. Everything is definitely smoother compared to the older 60Hz screens. With this new edition, the base model iPhone seems more comparable to other flagship phones in the market. Watching videos, scrolling around, and even playing games were very smooth on this phone. The only time I had a hiccup was when I went out to film and the phone kind of froze on me, but it hasn't happened since. In my opinion, if you're currently using an older iPhone model and you need to upgrade, then the iPhone 17 is a good option since they opened that 120Hz screen to the regular models too. I feel like the only reason I lean towards a Pro model now is for the camera, but if you don't need the best camera ever, then the iPhone 17 is a good option, I think. Like, I'm not kidding you, this isn't my phone, so I haven't downloaded all my apps and games onto it, but from testing it, I actually like how vibrant and smooth everything is compared to the older models. If you do decide to upgrade this year, let me know if you agree. Gaming is great. The colors are pretty and vibrant, feels super smooth, and I haven't had any hiccups. I also like how this phone is super light in weight as well, so when you're gaming, your fingers aren't as strained to holding your heavy phone in your hand. And this has happened to me with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is why I mentioned this, but that's just something that I noticed. It's not a life changer or anything, so don't base your decision on that.
Wild Rift. Minions have spawned.
Okay, so now it's near the end of the video. Next up is the camera test. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I did hear that YouTube introduced a new feature where you can hype up a video. If you have that feature, feel free to press that button for me to help the algorithm. Thanks for watching!